you only want to take a tiny bit out of there, really. Right, try that. That's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wish I had your dropper though, because this dropper is already fouled on one descent. I was going down a hill and it shot up like that. It's pretty windy. Yeah.
Another pocket. Bye-bye.
Okay. Cool. This heavy wind doesn't cause too much in the way of problems. Alright, we'll go up by the trig point just so we can enjoy the sun. The trail's over there. They'll cut it and it'll be grass. That'll go into silage. Fodder for the cows. Okie dokie. Remember to drop your saddle on this bit. Well, you don't normally cut into the left of me. Oh, it's done it again. Maybe I got the spring set. Watch this rock. Good idea. You're getting a bigger gear. Oh! Oh, this manual's amazing. Oh, I got something in my helmet. Yo. What? What's the matter?
On the floor.
Let's move it off there, shall we?
Oh.
Oh. This may have fallen out of a tree, see? Cover it. Give the flies a bit of a job to get to it. Yeah, we've just covered it over.
But it's not like covered, so it's like pressing.
You never know, it might come round.
Yeah.
At least it can escape from there. But also it can have a quiet passing as well.
It's like a paralysis. What have you got, like poison? Like by a poison spider or something?
Oh my goodness. Keep going. Ooh. I'm going to do a 5 kilometre ride. We'll be over by the cricket club and we'll be back after that. Ooh. I know. Whoop, this is quite overgrown now. There we go. This is it. Okay, need to go right here. There. That's it. Thirsty work, innit? Pretty light for a steel frame bike. Okay, just as fast as you can. Peary. Go for it. Oh, the chairs have moved. Remember to drop your saddle and go quite left of the tree because it's got bits sticking out of it. Right, to the left. You know how to do this on your own now. Oh, lovely cricket pitch out there. Let me know if you want me to give you a hand. Remember I was on about leverage before? Chain. Just like I did last time. It's good to ride on a lovely sunny evening. Right. Oh. Woo. It's not fast, but it's nice to be out. It's pretty windy today. Get this over without my help. And then stick it up here, maybe from there. Look at that. There is an art to this. Maybe you need to put your left arm further down the bottom of the down tube because I've got longer arms.
That's heavy. It's heavy, like.
Do you reckon? Let me get it over for you then. Yeah. Caerphilly Mountain Countryside Service. I think they're in the wrong county there. Follow me. Well done, Ray. Oh, great. Well done. I'm sort of glad we came out of that. Come on. Okay. Right, wait there, Ree. Shout bike as well in case. I just felt something go in my head. Not nice, there's a lot of them out. Okay, Ree, you go ahead. Ooh. Ooh. A lot of flying insects. drop it to the small clog, we're in Holland, drop it to the small cog and climb this. Oh, proliferation of flying insects. Oh. Pardon? Yeah.
I didn't even notice.
Yeah, they cut it down. Right, we need to be nice and careful here, Rhiannon, because fast road. Got one over me on this climb. Mind you, I've just lifted all the bikes. That's my excuse. Oh. Try not to touch your hand on this poison ivy on the left. Okay. Oh. Whew. Okay. Oh, sugar. Watch out on the left. Loose rock. Careful on this bit. Oh, it's not too bad now, that rock. Not good in the wet. Wheelie. See if we can do this in one, Ree. See if we can do this climb in one. I'm gonna go for it. Ooh. Yes. Oh, well done. Keep pushing. Go on. Yes. Wow. Always good to do these little challenges. Want to go ahead? Listen out for motorbikes and that though. It's amazing how much the heat can sap your energy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why you got to be so careful to stay hydrated and out of the direct sunlight. Oh! Oh! Quick! Quick! Let's get out of here. Sounded like a big branch. Whew. I'm glad to be out of those woods. Dear me. The sound of that branch cracking. Well, we're nearly 5 kilometres that ride, and what did I say it was going to be? There we go. That's it. So just under 5 kilometres, but crazy wind. Is it the way